Hi, I wanted to give you a quick update on the plot screen for the DVC VS Code extension. We've reworked all the plot sizing work to make it faster and easier to use. Instead of resizing directly on the plot and get inconsistent results, we've moved the plot sizing to the section level with sliders. From there, you can change the plot width, and the plot height. It's also possible to change the size of the images in the comparison table, again, with the same kind of slider. Speaking of these images, there's also a new functionality with them. It was previously possible to zoom in on any plot clicking on it. And now it's possible to do the same with the images. You just click on one, it opens to the side, and it's ready to be closely inspected. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this product update video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, Stevie. And feel free to post comments and questions below. On our YouTube channel, we share videos on product updates, tutorials, and how members of our community use our tools as they solve problems in their domains spanning a wide variety of fields in the machine learning and AI space. Don't miss out on any of it. See the description below to find links and the docs for our tools. They are an excellent resource for getting started. Also visit our blog where you can find tutorials on our tools as well as product and company news. Join our Discord server to get support, help others grappling with the same issues as you, connect with other like-minded folks, and discuss our tools or other topics in the MLOps space. It's a great way to learn and get to know others worldwide who share your interests. We also have a job channel where you can find relevant job opportunities in the space. Finally, if you're really serious about taking your MLOps skills to the next level, we offer a free online course that is designed to help you understand the iterative philosophy and achieve your MLOps goals. Our mission at Iterative is to deliver the best developer experience for machine learning teams by developing an ecosystem of open, modular ML tools. Thanks for making it to the end. Devi and I will see you in the next video.